would say just Zach, shirt off for the scene. And I'd be like, okay, yes, sir. Eventually, I realized that like the cameras weren't really even pointed my direction, and like we're in a scene that we've already shot coverage for it, and I had my shirt on, and like it's outside, and he was just with me.
I don't know if you can say that on TV.
Oh, sorry. And I went, how the excuse me. Apologize, I'm sorry.
Zach Efron, everybody. Pleasure to see you, buddy. You've seen the show before, haven't you?